Hello students, we have studied main organs of female reproductive system. What are they? First organ, they are female gonads. They are ovary, pair of ovary, pair of oviduct or fallopian tube, bag-like structure, it is uterus. Uterus continues into the passage vagina and vagina opens outside by vulva or external genitalia. Today we will study the structure of external genitalia in detail, and also there are glands, so they are organs, and there are two glands of female reproductive system. What are the two glands? The first gland is bulbourethral gland. And second gland is mammary gland. Now let us focus on vulva or external genitalia. Okay. Vulva or external genitalia, it includes mainly 5 organs. They form vulva or external genitalia. What are they? The first organ, so in external genitalia, the first part is called as vestibule. First part of external genitalia vulva, first part is vestibule. Vestibule is a depression of vulva and it encloses 2 openings. They are the vaginal opening and urethral opening. In female, urethral opening and vaginal opening are separate. In male, both are common. In female, vaginal and openings are separate. Okay, the second organ, it is called as labia minora. Labia minora is a skin fold, as the name suggests, minora. It is the thin skin fold and it is the covering around the clitoris. Clitoris is the organ which is similar to the male penis. It is the erected and sensitive organ. Okay, clitoris. It is present at all these parts. They are present in the vulva, in the opening, and this clitoris tissue it contains the tissue corpora cavernosa. Okay, clitoris, it contains the sensitive tissue corpora cavernosa. It is the erectile tissue. Clitoris present in the external genitalia part. Okay, it is present at the anterior side of labia minora. Now, then another part is labia majora. Minora and majora, 2 skin folds. Labia majora is the outer thick muscular skin fold and it covers all the organs. These all organs, there is a fleshy fold, external fold which covers all the organ, and it also encircles again opening of vaginal opening. That opening is covered by this labia majora. And the last part is mons, it is also called as mons pubis. Okay, the next part is called as mons pubis. Mons pubis and labia minora, these 2 parts, they have pubic hairs on it. Okay, it is also a fleshy elevation over the labia majora. So these parts, vestibule, labia minora, clitoris, labia majora and mons pubis, these are the parts of vulva or external genitalia. 2 glands I told you. First gland is bulbourethral gland. कुठे असते ही gland? Bulbourethral gland. It is present at the opening of the vulva. या opening पाशी ही pair of gland असते. तिला म्हणायचं bulbourethral gland. And it opens into the vestibule. त्या डिप्रेशनमध्ये या ग्लँडचं सिक्रिशन ओपन होतं. And it secrete lubricating fluid. Bulbourethral gland do not produce any kind of enzymes. It is mainly useful like the pubis, that is the gland, Cowper's gland in male. The same function is bulbourethral gland in female, which produce, that is the lubricating fluid for the lubrication of penis at the time of intercourse. Okay. Now the second gland is mammary gland. Okay, mammary gland is the another gland. Mammals, okay, सस्तन प्राणी होत आपण, male and female, both of them they have mammary gland, but in female mammary glands are developed, present in the chest region. It is in the rib region, to second to sixth rib च्या लेवलला mammary glands present असतात. Of course, mammary glands function काय आहे? Formation of milk on which the baby is fed. Now this mammary gland, they are modified sweat gland. Mammary gland are actually modified sweat gland. Okay, they have irregular gland-like structure. It is called as alveolar gland. Okay, so this is alveolar gland. This alveolar gland, it has the duct. That duct is called as tubule. Okay, this duct is called as tubule. Milk is secreted by this alveolar gland, and that milk is collected in this alveoli, and from alveoli it is given out by the tubule. Many tubule of many alveolar gland, they come together to form mammary duct. So this is one tubule. This is another tubule. This tubule of more than two alveolar gland, they form mammary duct. So this is mammary duct. Okay, mammary duct also then continue further and form the larger part called as ampulla. And this ampulla at last enter in lactiferous duct. This part enter in lactiferous duct, and lactiferous duct opens outside at the tip of the mammary gland, and it is called as nipple. Okay, the tip of the mammary gland where the lactiferous duct open, which get the secretion from the gland. The secretion enters in the lactiferous duct and it is given out through the nipple, and the black part around the nipple is called as areola. So these mammary glands, they are present in male and female, more developed in female due to the estrogen hormone, and milk formation mainly occurs at the time of delivery of a child. Okay, during the gestation period, this milk formation gets started in the female mammary gland, and that the hormone which is responsible for development of milk, त्याला म्हणायचं LTH, लॅक्टोजेनिक हार्मोन. त्याला दुसरं नाव आहे प्रोलॅक्टिन. So mainly three hormones are responsible for development of mammary gland. Which are they? पहिला फिमेल हार्मोन कोणता आहे? आपण पाहिलं जो ओव्हरी तयार करते तो आहे इस्ट्रोजेन, आणि दुसरा हार्मोन आहे प्रोजेस्टेरॉन. So estrogen and progesterone, these are the hormones secreted by ovary which develop mammary gland. Okay, so ovary are double in function. Ovary produce ovum as well as ovary produce two female hormones, and at the time of pregnancy another hormone is secreted by the pituitary gland. Okay, हे दोन हार्मोन ओव्हरी तयार करतात, आणि तो तिसरा हार्मोन आहे LTH और प्रोलॅक्टिन. हा हार्मोन कोण तयार करते? This hormone is secreted by pituitary gland, which is responsible for formation of milk in the mammary gland. So mammary gland is not actually related with the system, but it is necessary, it is useful for the feeding of the baby after the birth. Okay.